Guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the light. Today I'm playing Minecraft. It's too bright. Anyways, it's the updated one. So, this version is 0.11.01. Just need to turn down the brightness. Dun dee dee dee. Dum 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 dum. Can you see good? Is it too dark? No, is it too dark? Can't have it too dark. And just put it in the middle. It's good. Too bright. Perfect. Just perfect. It's good. Okay. So I'm gonna go to Minecraft. Hope you enjoy. Let's get started. Now we're into here. I'm just play it like this. So my world's gonna be called cat. Oops. So my name, the world, as you can see, the world is cat, and it will be a survival world, and I might change it to creative to give you a tour, because I'm gonna play off camera. I'm sorry about the bad recording. Okay, so let's find some trees. Oh, this is my skin. Isn't it cute? In my spectacle skin. It's a warrior princess, and the apps will be down below in the description. Oops. Oops. What the hell? And it's actually kind of hard to play with a friend because it keeps on glitching out. I tried with one of my friends. Dun 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 dum 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 dum. I know I'm at the boring stage. I am gonna make a boat now. Once I finish. What's a notepad? There. Down village. What? What? It's just need to get one more wooden plank. Yeah. Oops. Oh. Oops. So, right now I'm showing you the boats they added. Wait, how long is this episode right now? It's been 5 minutes. Okay. Oops. Wait, this way. Ooh, I'm getting lily pads. Why am I going that way? I want to go to fresh water. So, do 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 do. Dum dum da dum. Oops. I'm gonna go row my boat until I get to probably a nice place where I want to live. And I guess I'm going this way. Itchy nose. And this is going to be my new series. Oh, probably should go this way. Sorry, I'll put it further. Sheep, more sheep, more sheep, not too many sheep. So hard to... Never mind. Oh, they're gone. Oops. Here's a good place. I love birch wood. It's like my favorite kind of wood. So I think I'm gonna live in this mountain, which is a really good spot. I'm gonna have multiple houses here because it's a really flat land. I'm gonna oh, what happened? Uh-oh. So, every episode's gonna be, 9 minutes long, so see you all later. Peace. Au revoir. Peace.